Good morning, children. How are you, everyone? Doing well now? Yes, very good, children. And children, clap for you, all of you. Yes. And stars for everyone. Yes. Yes, children, you have done your homework and your all activities very nicely. Yes, I saw all your homeworks and activities. Very good, children. I am so happy. Okay, children? Very good. Very nice, children. So, children, I am back with my one more new letter. Yes. Letter F. Letter F. I'm going to teach you today small letter F. I am going to tell you the things which are starting with letter F, and I am going to show you also how to write letter F. Okay, children? So, are you ready for that? Let us start. F for fish. Yes. And where we can see fish? In the water. Correct. F for farmer. Yes. Farmer is a person who grows crops. F for fire. Yes. And F for fire truck or fire engine. A truck equipped to fight fire. Okay, children? F for frog. Yes. And frog can live in water or on the land. F for flowers. And I know you must have seen so many flowers. Yes, color flowers. F for family. A group of people called family. Like children in your family, you are having your parents, your grandparents, isn't it? Yes, that is called family. Okay. F for fan. Yes. F for face. See, this is our face, the part of our body. Yes. F for fingers. Yes. F for feet. Feet, children, the end part of the leg of humans or animals called feet. See, these are the feet. Yes, correct. F for fruits. And who likes to eat fruits? Yes, even I like to eat different kinds of fruits. Yes, so F for fruits. F for flour. F for flour. The finely grounded meal of grain called flour. So children, this is little difficult to understand, isn't it? I'll explain you in better way. See, your mama makes roti, yes, chapati, goal, circle, round and round. Yes, that is called flour. Yes, wheat flour. There are different types of flour. Okay, and your mama makes roti out of that flour, wheat flour. Yes. Aate ka roti? Yes. Ask your mama about this. Okay. F for football. And who likes to play football? F for football. F for fox. And fox is a wild animal. Yes. F for fig. What is fig, children? Fig is a fruit. Yes. Pear-shaped fruit. Yes, see, it's look like this. See, can you see on the screen? Yes. This is fig. Yes. And this is a fruit. Yes. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now I will show you how to write small letter F in our 4-line notebook. Okay. See, red line to blue line. Yes, this is small f. And how you will write your small f? Red line to blue line. Okay, children. See, don't write your letter this way. This is wrong way. Okay. I will show you how to write your letter F. Okay. First, put a dot, small dot. Yes, like this. Yes. Then you make small curve from the dot like this. Yes. This is a curve, small curve. Then go down with the standing line till blue line. Yes. Stop here. Correct. And now make one slipping line on the second blue line like this. Yes. This is the way you will write your small letter F. First, curve, a little curve, then go down with the standing line. Yes. Then make one slipping line on the second blue line. Okay, children. You will write your small F, red line to blue line. Correct. Small letter F. Yes. Like this. Like this you will write your letter F. Small letter F. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now our story time. Yes. And our today's story name is Two Friends and Four Frogs. Yes. Let us start. Frank and Frida are best friends. They are 5 years old. They love playing football on the field. One day, they hear a cry from the farm. They go there and find 4 baby frogs crying. A fox is making a funny sound. Shh, says the Frank. Do not make noise here. Let the baby frog sleep, says the Frank to the fox. The fox listens to him and goes away to the forest. The baby frogs can sleep now. Yay! So children, do you like the story of Frank and Frida and 4 frogs? Yes? Very good, children. Okay, children, now our activity time. Yes, and today we will make a paper fan. For this, the following material is required. Take 2 square size color paper and 1 glue. Okay, children? First, fold the paper in the center like this. Yes, children. See the way teacher is doing, you have to do that. Okay? Yes. Now, make another fold from the center again. Yes. Open the paper. You will see 4 lines form at the folds. Now repeat the same process for the second piece of paper. Yes, like this. From the second paper, take help from your parents to cut 2 rectangular shaped pieces from the lines formed by the folds. Yes, like this. Okay. Now, use some glue on the first paper and apply it besides the folded lines. Like this. Yes. Now use the 2 cut pieces and paste them on the first paper one by one like this. Yes. Please see to it that you are using the folded lines as a guide to paste the pieces. Yes. Once done, we will now start folding our sheet into smaller rectangular shapes like this. Yes, this way, children. Repeat folding till the end of the sheet. Yes. Now fold the right from the center and stick the 2 sides with the help of glue. Yes. See children, our fan is ready. Yes, and that too in 2 colors. Yes, isn't it beautiful? Yes, very good. Children, you can also try our paper fan with different colors of paper. Yes, see teacher have tried with grey and black color. Yes, you can also try. Yes, okay children. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope this was fun as well as we enjoyed our small story and small activity. Yes children, I would like to request everyone to practice writing this letter at home. Okay, and make sure you will try the activity given in this video. Okay, bye.